Assalamu alaikum. My name is Irfan Sultan, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Health Vlog. Let's start. Mental health forms the foundation of overall well-being, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and interactions with the world around us. It influences every aspect of our lives, from personal relationships to professional success, and it plays a pivotal role in how we respond to challenges and adapt to changes. In an increasingly fast-paced and demanding society, prioritizing mental health has never been more essential. The pressures of modern life, including work deadlines, social expectations, and digital overload, often exacerbate stress, anxiety, and persistent negative thoughts, which can hinder personal growth and happiness. However, acknowledging and addressing these challenges is the first step towards a life of balance, fulfillment, and resilience. Developing self-awareness is crucial in this journey. Understanding your emotions, triggers, and coping mechanisms allows you to make informed decisions about your mental health. Seeking professional guidance when needed, whether through therapy, counseling, or support groups, is a sign of strength, not weakness. Professionals can provide personalized strategies and tools to navigate mental health challenges effectively. Embracing positive habits like mindfulness, regular physical activity, proper sleep, and maintaining a nutritious diet can also significantly enhance mental resilience and overall quality of life. Moreover, open and honest discussions about mental health are vital for breaking the stigma that often surrounds it. Talking about mental health experiences, whether with friends, family, or within communities, helps foster a culture of acceptance and support. This not only empowers individuals to seek help, but also creates a ripple effect, encouraging others to prioritize their well-being. Organizations and workplaces also play a crucial role by promoting mental health awareness and providing resources for employees to thrive, both personally and professionally. Caring for your mental health isn't just important, it's a cornerstone for living a purposeful and rewarding life. By taking proactive steps to nurture your mental well-being, you equip yourself to face life's ups and downs with confidence and clarity. Remember, investing in your mental health is one of the most impactful decisions you can make for yourself and those around you, ensuring a healthier, happier, and more meaningful existence. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.